क्या है?
Myself Saket. I am studying with my group member. Present my model. That is acid rain. So first we know that what is acid rain. Acid rain is a type of precipitation. Precipitation with an acidic component fall on the ground from the atmosphere. That is known as acid rain. Mainly acid decomposition are two types. First one is wet and second one is dry. So what is wet? Wet includes like water, snow, etc. And dry is a type of deposition and deposition that includes dust of particles and gases. So we know that the normal rain is slightly acidic in nature because in atmosphere there is present CO2, and when CO2 reacts with H2O, then it forms carbonic acid, and we know that carbonic acid is slightly acidic in nature. Now we know about harmful effect of acid rain. There are mainly two types of harmful effect. First one is natural harmful effect, and second one is man-made harmful effect. So what is natural harmful effect? First we know that natural harmful effect we can't do anything, we can't prevent because that is natural. So what is natural harmful effect? The plant is fried, plant dead. When we burn it, then bond between sulfur and carbon. The bond between sulfur and carbon gets broken, and sulfur reacts with the SO2, sulfur dioxide, and carbon reacts with oxygen, and it forms a SO2, and SO2 again reacts with oxygen and forms a SO3, sulfur dioxide. When sulfur dioxide reacts with H2O, sulfur dioxide when reacts with H2O, then it forms H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and that is acid.
That's as if we take the live example, so we can see that one of the studies of India that is Taj Mahal. Experts have said that it is discoloring and corroding due to the Matra oil factory in Agra, and as well as several factories in Agra which is releasing very harmful air which is corroding the white marbles of Taj Mahal. So as you can see that the government of India has recently banded and warned the companies, factories that don't release this harmful gases. Otherwise, if they convert it into just like the CNG, LPG gases, so that we can use it like that. And there are mainly two types of where we get this harmful gas like nitrogen and sulfur are main bases due to which accident happens. Like sulfur like reacts with oxygen and water molecules to form H2SO4, and it reacts with oxygen and H2O molecules to form HNO3, which are very acidic in nature. They go into the air and impacts and like react with pure clean water in the atmosphere and make it very acidic. That's why acid rain happens.
Who is the coined the acid rain? मतलब किसने बताया था ये?
The acid rain is coined
Who is the coined this word acid rain? किसने बताया था कि एसिड रेन जैसी भी कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं?
Robert Urban Smith.
एग्जैक्टली.
1856.
दैट्स ग्रेट.